Hi, hello. This is your girl Josie. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. Today is Wednesday, so you guys know what we're going to do. We are doing the 100 envelope savings challenge with a low amount. Are you ready? Keep watching. Hi, friends. I'm super excited to be here today. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is Wednesday, so you guys know Mondays and Wednesdays I post video about the 100 envelope savings challenge that we do with a lower amount. Not like the regular 100 envelope savings challenge that is very, very high end. No, we are doing with low income. So if it's something that you like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. If you have already done that, thank you so much. So today, let's go ahead and read our motivational quote, which I love so much. It's talking to me a lot. Stop underestimating yourself. I think this year we're going to stop doing that. If you agree with me, leave in the comment below. Leave it. Smash the comment button and leave it. If you agree with me that we're going to stop underestimating ourselves. And this is also for me. Like beginning of this year, I've been doing a lot of research to come on here for live. I have bought some live streamings that I'm going to use. And anytime I plan to do it, I'm like, oh my God, who is going to watch me? My face doesn't look good. Like, and I've been underestimating myself that I can do that. But I have to stop that. So your girl is going to bring the live date out very soon. I think it's going to be out before end of this week. I really have to stop that. So if you have been doing that, come along with me and let's stop underestimating ourselves. Not 2024, not at all. So now let's count the money to see how much we're going to do. Do you guys remember which number we are doing today? We are in our 50. We are going to our 50. So we are doing 41 to 50. This is the part 5. If you have not been watching the previous videos, I have them in my saving playlist. Go ahead and click on it and watch part 1 up to 4 and come along with us. If you're having a 100 envelope savings challenge sitting there, pick it up and start doing this way and see how it goes. We don't know how much we're going to save yet, but I think we're going to save a lot. And a lot of people have been asking me that they love it this way. And some of you also have been asking me a question whether I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm not. We are trying to do it in a way that everybody can do it. Not for those who already have money, a lot of money. No, anybody can do the 100 envelope savings in their own way. You don't have to follow whatever somebody is doing. Let's count the money. Enough of talking. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. We are doing the math in our head. Remember that we are learning our math. So that's 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 30. So 20 plus 30 is 50. Then let's count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's okay, let's count the money. So 1 plus 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 40. Then the 5s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 30. So 40 plus 30 is 70. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that would be 86. So we are going to do the part 5 with 86, which is number from 41 to 50. So now let's go ahead and get started. Okay. I'm sure I've asked you guys this. I hope everybody's doing very well. Okay, so we are doing 4 plus 1, which is 5. And I'm also going to leave the numbers on the screen so that you guys who know what is going on. So we are doing 5 to A on this one. Okay, easy A. 4 plus 2 is 6. Four plus 3 is 7. I like it when it's easy slide in. Easy. 4 plus 4 is 8. Like I don't have to struggle. I don't have to struggle to slide it in. I love it. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 9 is 13. then 5 plus 0 is 5. And I always love it when I get to the side, because I wouldn't put in 50. I'm putting in 5. That's why I make this challenge very simple and easy. For those of you who have been following me, yes, that's another way you can do 100 envelope savings challenge without breaking your bank. I really can't wait to see the amount. I can't wait, and I'm loving this. Look at that. Look at how cool this is. Fresh. It's so nice looking at this. I don't know if you have not been doing this challenge, you are scared to do 100 envelope savings challenge. No more. Don't be scared anymore. Don't be. Okay, so now let's go ahead and update our tracker. So we have, after today, we have 5 more to go. Then we're going to count it. I can't wait. I think we're going to extend it into February. Then we will count it. I'm pretty sure before the end of February, we have counted this amount. Then we're going to do it in a different way that I've been thinking about it. So we will do that way as well. I have other challenges that we can also do for low income, which I'm going to surely show you guys. I can't wait to show you guys that ones as well. So if you've been following me, thank you. Make sure you put on your bell so that when I post, you receive the notification. Got a lot of things are coming on this channel. Yeah, look at these numbers. Simple and easy. And I love the way I have the extra tracker when you buy my 100 envelope savings challenge. This is the extra tracker, so that if you are not doing the regular one, you can still do the update here. I really love it. Okay, so that's it for today. And remember, let me bring it out again. Stop underestimating yourself. Not 2024. We are not going to do that. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.